I was trying to get a case for my action camera, that is the Insta360, as well as the DJI Pocket 2, because these come with lot of accessories, so I wanted to keep them safe. So I got two carrying cases. So let's check out one by one. And this one is just a case. It's a little slimmer than this one. This comes with accessories. It is mentioned that it's for GoPro. I believe we can use it for any action camera, but let's check it out. Let me open this one first. So it's a carry case, and there are two zippers. So this is the large one. Usually in most of the cases you get only these. That's the medium, and the small ones have only this. So this is the large one. This has the extra space here. Also there is a space here where you can put cables, handles, stuff like that. I feel this is much stronger than the other one. Oh, even this one is a carry case. A lot of accessories. So let's check out the box first. I feel this one is better because it's almost the same, except that so this one is taller, whereas this one is thick-wise it's bigger. I feel this one to be more sturdier than this one. I leave the links in the description below. Yeah, I feel this one to be much better. Also, it comes with padding. You can cut it as per your necessity. So some of them are already cut, and from the bigger one you can cut it as per your wish. So I like this one much better. So let's check out the accessories. So here we have the Selfie Monopod. It's not much of use to me, but still it comes with a package. I think it's 2 to 3 feet long somewhere. Yeah, I think it's 3 feet long. It's lightweight. this is the head strap, so you can mount the camera here and put it on your head. This one is the car mount. It has a suction head. It has the 1/4 inch connector. I believe this is the wristband. Yeah. Yeah, it's a wristband. You can connect your camera here and adjust according to your need. This is the J hook. I believe this is for the helmet. And this one is the floating handle. Almost all of the action cameras are waterproof, so you can just float it in the water and you can capture all your water related actions. So this one is a chest strap mount. Oh, yeah, I know. We can hook the camera here and then just slide it down. Yes. You slide down the J hook into the adapter. And then we have a small tripod. A cute little tripod. Another J hook. So we have another clipping kind of tool where you can mount the camera here. So I still don't know what is the usage. Probably we can clip it. We can clip it on the table, I think. Yes. I'm able to clip it on the table. A good one. And this is the lock. Another adapter for holding the camera with a 1/4 inch socket. And we have a pouch. It's not very big. then we have a camera holder for bike. I needed this one. Another camera adapter with a 1/4" socket. And some stickers. We might need this. I think it's a double-sided tape. And that is all we have. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, hit on the subscribe button. See you all in another video.